How to add a child. You can open Child Modal from Quick Actions button on top bar, or by going to School and open a Classroom or Children tab. Now click Add Children button. You can either send an invitation via email to the child's parents or add the child manually. To send invitations, enter the parents' email addresses one by one in the input fields and click the Send Invitations button. Alternatively, you can copy the registration form link and share it with the parents through any method you prefer. Or switch to Add Manually tab to add a child manually. Provide all necessary information for the child. Assign the child to corresponding room. Select allergies from the drop-down of allergies. You can create new one just by typing the allergy name and hit enter. Follow the same process for adding vaccines. Assign relatives to the child. You can create a new user directly from here and link them to the child. Enter the name, surname, email, and phone number. Specify the child-user relationship and enable emergency contact if required. Click on Create and Assign. You will see the list of users linked to this child. Finally, to create new child, click Save button. This is the new child we just added on this room.